clean those. So, received this from a Amazon seller. He wants me to review and post. So I figured Jeremiah's headlights look like they need some help. Like I can't see type thing. And this is a abrasives kit. Not much information on it. But this is the company it came from. And these are the items in it. All right, so let's lay everything out. Tape's not listed on here, but masking tape. I'm just gonna lay it out. Connectors for your drill, or whatever. More buffing pads. So, wow, this is a lot. Let me try to lay this out the best I can. All right. Got these little handheld sanders. You're gonna see why. For the drill. For the drill. Connectors right here. Got these. There are two of these. Thing is, it's not really labeled on here what is what, but this is a fun part. We have 80 grit, 180 grit, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000. All came in this box. All right. It's supposed to be 120 something piece kit, but it's all here. We are going to test them out on these. So let me get everything set up here. Get Adam to come do his thing because today I'm just gonna be a spectator. Adam is great restoring headlights. All right, here we go. He started with the 1,000. All right, next is the 2,000. All right, we just grabbed the 3,000. You can already start seeing the difference. Let's see what it looks like before he starts buffing. So, there we have the before and the during. So far all he's used is the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 grits. You can already start seeing the difference. Wiping it down before he uses polishing compound with the orange. Look at the difference. Wow. Now, I'm gonna stop disturbing him, let him do his thing with the other headlight, bring you guys back afterwards and show you both. And here is the finished product. Now, I'm gonna get him to explain what every part of this kit is, because nothing's labeled. So this is a box that comes in. All it says is abrasives, which I think it should say more. All right. There it is. There's a SKU, and you see where it's made. All right.
So we got we've got a bunch of different sanding discs. We got 80, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 2000, 3000. The 3000 is nice because you don't find that often. And then you got your different bumping bonnets, compound pliers, of course, different coarsenesses. Same with these. They're all different coarsenesses, but they get the job done.
What do you call these?
It's just the heads to hold them.
All right.
They just come with different heads, so you can put in all sorts of different attachments: a drill, grinder, bit driver, and even a little hand applicator.
All right. So what do you think about this kit?
I like it.
All right. And that'll be the end of the video. Head over to the Amazon store and give this kit a try. It's pretty cheap, if you ask me. And it's worth it, because you saw the headlights. I'll show them one more time. All right. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.